Okay, so here's the video about fitting the brake cable into the right-hand brake lever. The first thing you're going to want to do is loosen this bolt here on the side of the caliper using a 5mm Allen key. This will allow the cable to run loose inside. So once you've done that, you just head on up to the brake lever on the handlebars. Now, once you're up here, you have the brake cable loose, and you'll see that you can pull this section in and out. You want to open up the brake lever, where you'll find this little eyelet hole inside. Pop this end of the cable into that and pull it along here through this slot in the bottom of the brake lever. Once you've done that, if you go back down to the caliper and pull on the loose cable, you'll see it actually pulls the cable housing back in. And so you'll see it ends up looking like the brake lever on the left-hand side. Now if you go back down to the caliper, you want to squeeze the brake pads together. Once you've done that, pull down on that cable that you loosened till it's nice and firm, and then just re-tighten the bolt that you loosened earlier. Then returning once more back up to the brake lever, you'll see if you use it now, nice and firm. And that's all done.